Assalamu alaikum. This is Nation series Math for Prep KG suitable for 5 to 6 years old children. Today we are going to learn from page number 25. Look at this children. This is a cube shape. Listen again children. This is a cube shape. As you can see different colors in this shape children. This is a cube shape. And this is cube inward. And this is a cube shape. Children, now you have to trace this cube shape. Remember children, you have to trace this cube shape now. This is a cube shape. Children, this is another cube shape. Children, now you have to color this cube shape. Remember children, you will color this cube shape up to down. You will not color this cube shape left to right. This is a cube shape. Children, you have to trace this cube shape and then you have to color this cube shape. Look at this children, this is an oval shape. Look at this shape carefully children, this is an oval shape. This is oval inward and this is an oval shape. Children, this is another oval shape. Now you have to trace this oval shape children. Remember children, this is an oval shape and now you have to trace this oval shape. This is another oval shape children, now you have to color this oval shape. Remember children, this is an oval shape. You have to trace this oval shape and then you have to color this oval shape. Remember children, you have to color this oval shape up to down. You will not color this oval shape left to right. This is an oval shape. Children, now you have to trace and color this oval shape. Look at this children, this is a cube shape and this is an oval shape. This is cube inward and this is oval inward. Children, first you have to match this cube shape with this word cube and then you have to write the word cube here in this box by yourself. This is oval shape and this is word oval. Children, you have to match this oval shape with this word oval with a straight line and then you have to write the word oval in this box by yourself. This was our page number 25 and this is page number 26. Look at this children. This is the concept of heavy and light. Look at this children. This is a watermelon and this watermelon is a heavy watermelon. Look at this carefully children. This watermelon is heavy. Now we can say heavy watermelon. This is a heavy watermelon children and this is an apple and this is an apple and it is a light apple. This is a watermelon. Watermelon is heavy and this is an apple. Apple is light. So heavy watermelon, light apple. Look at this children. Now you have to draw a heavy watermelon here by yourself. Remember children, you have to draw a watermelon. Watermelon is heavy. You have to draw a heavy watermelon here by yourself. This is an apple children. Now you have to color this light apple. You have to draw a watermelon and then you have to color this apple. This is our page number 26. Concept of heavy and light. Watermelon is heavy, apple is light. You have to draw a heavy watermelon and then you have to color this apple.